Hey guys, I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe. In my previous video, I explained about the process of adoption, which was for Indian residents. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the adoption process for NRIs, non-resident Indians, OCIs, overseas citizens of India, and foreign nationals who wish to adopt children from India. So I thought a lot of us are there staying abroad, and many of us are not even aware about the process. So I just thought to make a video on this as well, and so that you can share it with your known people or family members who really wish to adopt a child from India. So again, this video will be divided in 4 parts: eligibility criteria, adoption process, fee structure, and conclusion. So when it comes to eligibility criteria, it is same. It is same for the resident Indians, national residents of India, as well as for NRI, OCIs, and foreign nationals as well, except for the fact that NRIs will be treated at par with Indian nationals. So it's a good news for all the NRIs who wish to adopt, that they will be treated equal as compared to Indian residents staying in India. Now, coming to the process of adoption, it is again a little elaborative and a little different from what happens for the Indian residents, but very, very informative. So I hope you guys listen to this carefully and understand the process. So all the NRIs, OCIs, and foreign nationals who wish to adopt a child from India have to approach a nearby AFA. AFA is Authorized Foreign Adoption Agency or central authority. So they have to approach these two authorities. In case if these two authorities are not there in their country, they can approach to Indian diplomatic mission. So these authorities will then verify the eligibility criteria, prepare the home study report, and register the families on CARA. So it is not the families who are doing it directly, but it is the AFAs or Indian Diplomatic Mission or central authorities registering on behalf of the parents on CARA after verifying all the things. So when the registration is done, they will get time to upload the documents, which will be as per Schedule 6, which was same for Indian resident nationals. The moment the registration is completed on CARA, they will get a seniority number. Now, CARA, after this registration is done, CARA will scrutinize their documents and everything, and the profiles of these parents will be sent to specialized adoption agencies in India where the kids are available for adoption. Now, in this situation, for OCI, NRIs, and foreign national, they get 2 referrals, and in 2 referrals, they get 2 children. So, first referral, they'll get 2 kids. In the second referral also, they'll get 2 kids. So in the first referral, when they'll get 2 kids, they have to reserve 1 child in 96 hours. Like in resident Indian, it was 48 hours to reserve the child online. For NRIs, OCIs, and foreign nationals, it is 96 hours. So they get 2 profiles. They have to reserve 1 child after reading the child study, medical, and the photograph of the child. The child they don't reserve will automatically be withdrawn from the profile. Now, if in case they don't reserve any of the 2 children, the profile of both the children will be withdrawn after 96 hours, and the parents and the PAPs, the prospective adoptive parents, will come down to the waiting list. They'll get another chance after the waiting list, after their number comes up, and in case if their home study is still valid, which is for 3 years. So if everything remains the same, if HSR is valid, they'll get second referral, and again in second referral they'll get 2 children. So just in case if they reserve that child, if they reserve any one of the child from these 2 children, they have to accept the child by signing the original child study report and medical report. And how are they going to do it? Because the original CSR and MER is with the SA in India. So the social worker of that specialized adoption agency is going to courier the original CSR, MER, and photographs of the child to the AFA. AFA receives these documents, give it to the families, and the families have to sign in original that yes, we have accepted the child. Now, in case if a family wants to accept the child after coming to India or seeing the child, they are most welcome to do it, and they can also get the child medically examined if they want to be satisfied for 100% sure as far as the medical terms is concerned. Now, once the child study report and medical report is signed, then the concerned AFA, the Authorized Foreign Adoption Agency, have to send the documents. There is a dossier of documents as per Schedule 9, which was similar for resident Indians. There are certain documents which are different for OCI, NRIs and foreign nationals. So all these documents have to be sent to India, which is done by AFA. Now these documents are notarized, and the sign of the notary has to be apostilled by the competent authority. So these documents, they come to India. Now in case if these documents are in some other language, the originals of these documents have to be accompanied by the English translation. So if in case if the documents are from Italy and in the Italian language, then it has to be accompanied in English language as well. Once these documents are received in India, NOC, no objection certificate, is issued by CARA within 10 working days from the date of receipt of these documents. When NOC is received, the SA, the social worker of that SA, the particular specialized adoption agency social worker, files the case in the court. Now when the court case is filed, because the family is staying abroad, so definitely it is the social worker or the adoption in charge who represents the case on the family's behalf. So we get the power of attorney and we present the case on behalf of these families. Once the court order is received to us, after the court order is received, CARA issues a conformity certificate that yes, this adoption is confirmed. Conformity certificate is also prepared, and in the meantime, the specialized adoption agency prepares the passport. So the passport is also prepared simultaneously, and also the concerned social worker of that SA prepares the birth certificate. So once all these documents, the court order is there, the birth certificate is there, the conformity certificate is there, when all these documents come, then the parents can travel to India and take away the child. So after the adoption order is received, parents get 2 months of time to travel to India and take away the child. Now once the child goes to the specific country, then there is again a follow-up which has to be done, which is for 2 years. And in the first year, in case of NRI, OCIs and foreign nationals, in the first year, the follow-up is done on quarterly basis, which is done over there from their social workers, the concerned social worker of the AFA. And in the second year, it is half-yearly basis. Now, the process may sound very lengthy, but once it starts, it's very quick and it doesn't take much of time. Coming to the fee structure, so as I said, there is no fees for the registration, so it is free of cost. For the home study fees, now it is all dependent upon the country's norms. So the fee structure for home study and follow-up differs for country to country. It depends upon which country the home study is being done. Second is the adoption fee. So adoption fees for OCI, NRI and foreign nationals is 5,000 USD. US dollars 5,000, in which 250 USD goes to the lawyer. So they don't have to pay anything extra to the lawyer. Now in case if the families, they wish to adopt siblings, or there are 2 children or 3 children, or suppose there are twins, for one child it is 5,000 USD. For the second child or for simultaneous for other children, it will be 1,000 USD extra. The eldest one will get 5,000, the middle one maybe 1,000 USD, and then again for the youngest one it will be 1,000 USD. So this is what the fee structure is. Now coming to the conclusion part, it is more it's more related to the certain miscellaneous things which I have actually not shared right now in both my videos, which I would definitely love to share, and I am planning to share it in my next video as well. So this is what the process includes for the NRIs, the OCIs and foreign national couples. So I hope this is little beneficial for all of those who are really wish to adopt, who are staying abroad and wish to adopt a child from India. I hope you guys stay safe and take care.